Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations, and I'm here filming in my kitchen. I am doing a project share video number 2 for Globleland. The first video of what I made, I will put in a card here somewhere. And as you can see, they sent me these canvas bags as well to review. So I did alter one of the bags, and I'm going to show you what I made. So I also will link everything down below in the description box, everything that they sent me and their website. So let's turn you around here a little bit. Okay, this is what I made. I made this canvas bag. Well, I didn't make the bag. I altered the bag, excuse me. And we're going to show you real quick. So I put all this lace. This picture here was sent to me in some Happy Mail. And I put lace on the bottom, some flowers, and this lace here came from Allie, and so it did these little flowers here, and then the flowers here came from Amazon. This here came from Amazon, and then this came from either Walmart, or I think it was Walmart, and the beads also came from Walmart. So, and then the ribbon back here, I believe is from Walmart as well. I'm going to lay you right here. So this is my full effect of my canvas bag from Globleland that they sent me. I'm trying to make sure you don't fall. I think it turned out really pretty. This is my first time altering a bag like this. I'm very excited the way it turned out. And then I put this trim around it, which also came from Walmart. So just using up my stash. Let's see if I can move you closer. There we go. Kind of move it around a little bit. Film in my kitchen just so I can show you the right lighting in here. I really love this picture, and someone, I can't remember who sent it to me. If you're watching, put it down in the comments below, because I can't remember who sent this to me. But I absolutely love this picture. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to send this to someone that I'm going to swap with on Facebook, that we've known each other for a couple years now, and we're doing like a anniversary swap. So yeah, I'm really happy the way this turned out. And I used Fabri-Tac on this bottom piece, this here, and I use hot glue on these here, Fabri-Tac up here and on the sides, and I just used it all the way around here. Oh, that piece came, that piece there. All right. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think of my bag. And I didn't get these part even here, but that's okay, because I was trying to cover it with something anyway. I mainly wanted it for a background. There is the full effect. Like I said, I'm going to link everything down below in the description box. And if you're interested in Globleland, go check them out. They've got some really inexpensive items and their shipping is pretty fast. They are a sister company of BB Craft. So yeah, that's my second project. And I want to thank Globleland for sending me their merchandise to review, and I hope to do it again. Alright everyone, I will see you all in the next video. Take care for now.